friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. On demand of the viewers, I'm presenting up the MCQs from the chapter Kingdom Animalia, which is a chapter there for 11th standard, and these MCQs will surely help for all the competitive exams like NEET, CET, KVPY, the Bio Olympiad, as well as the students of ICSE, IGCSE, CBSE will be helped by it. So, presenting up the MCQs from Kingdom Animalia from 6 to 10. Question number 6. The sea star, Pisaster ocracius, is an abundant predator on the rocky intertidal communities along the Pacific coast of North America. The sea star feeds predominantly on the mussel Mytilus californianus. In the absence of the sea star, the mussel is a dominant competitor, crowding out other species. Based on these observations, which statement relating to the number of species in the intertidal zone is most likely to be correct? On the right hand side of the screen, you can see on the top, you can see there is a sea star, Pisaster ocracius, which is being shown, and on the lower side, you can see the mussel Mytilus californianus to be seen. So the options here are A. The number of species should be unaffected by the presence or absence of the sea star. B. The number of species will be changed by the presence of the sea star, but the direction, that is more or less species, cannot be predicted. C. The number of species present should be greater when the sea star is present than when it is absent. D. The number of species present should be less when the sea star is present than when it is absent. And the correct answer for this question is C. The number of species present would be greater when the sea star is present than when it is absent. Question number 7. Assertion is tapeworm shows symbiotic association. The reason, they have prominent digestive system. Friends, first you can see on the screen how a tapeworm in reality looks like. This is another diagram for you to understand the structure of the tapeworm in details. This you might have even seen it in your textbooks. Now let's come to the options given here. Option A. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. B. If both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C. If assertion is true but the reason is false. D. Both assertion and reason are false. And the correct answer for this question is D. Both assertion and reason are false. Because tapeworm has a parasitic association and not a symbiotic one. Question number 8. What distinguishes an insect from crustaceans? A. Number of eyes. B. Arrangement of nerve cords. C. Number of appendages. D. Presence of wings. And the correct answer for this question is C. The number of appendages. On the screen, you can see a comparison between an insect and a crustacean, that example being prawn. You can take it up easily. And you can see that there is a difference in the number of appendages. The body is divided in case of insects into 3 segments: head, thorax and abdomen, and in case of crustaceans, the head and the thorax get connected and modified to form a carapace. And then we have second segment being the abdomen. Question number 9. Which class has the highest number of animals? A. Fishes. B. Reptiles. C. Insects. D. Animals. And the correct answer for this question is C. Insects. Question number 10. Identify the characteristic of acoelomates. A. Absence of mesoderm. B. Absence of brain. C. Coelom that is incompletely lined with the mesoderm. D. Solid body without a cavity surrounding internal organs. And the correct answer for this question is D. So, a characteristic feature of acoelomates is a solid body without a cavity surrounding internal organs. In fact, this is the reason why they are called as acoelomate. A is without coelom. Friends, I'm sure the series will help you. Please check with the playlist for the other chapters and the other videos as well. Your suggestions and comments are definitely welcome. Thank you for being with me.